Welcome back to John Kleis Car Audio. Excuse the filter, but I've got man flu and this is the only thing I can use to cover the bags under my eyes. But here we are, another installation for a Kenwood, documented by ourselves in this 2017 Transit Custom, and I will show you through it right now. Let's follow me inside. Wait, here we go. Bit of an impact on the eyes, isn't it? So there's the KENWOOD DMX9720XDS fitted in this Euro 5 Transit Custom. Let's turn it on. Oh, look at that, cheeky. We can install that on loads of cars, but probably recommend only putting it on a Ford. So let's walk you through this unit. This has got every feature that you could possibly want and nothing you don't need. Starting from the beginning with these features, the most important one, Apple CarPlay. Wireless, I add, don't have to plug your phone in. Obviously, if you're on the dark side, then Android Auto will come up on this screen. This means all your navigation apps and all your music apps come on the screen, like TomTom, Google Maps, you know, giving you the ability to have pretty much built-in nav almost on your daily travels, including traffic and such. We've got DAB radio, we've got Bluetooth, we've got USB connectivity, USB, nice tidy installation to a factory blank, lovely job there. Open up the main menu, HDMI in, great feature. Add an Amazon Fire Stick to this and bosh, you've got Netflix, YouTube, Disney Channel a lot. Wouldn't recommend having that when you're driving. Dangerous as well as illegal. I think we can all agree that this looks the absolute nuts in this Transit, but we can install this into many other makes and models of cars, so get in contact, John Kleis Audio, if you want a quote for the same unit in yours. What we'll also leave in your car is one of these. The unit comes with a 3-year warranty as standard included, so good peace of mind there. But if you want to, well, actually, no, we invite you to review the installation of this Kenwood installed after we've done it. Literally, you're reviewing us as a company and the product and how you're installed and whether you're happy with the overall service. So get involved. See you later.